Hey guys, these are the Leopard patch shorts by Judy Blue. So you can see there's a little bit of color change as well. So on the side, it's got more of that like medium dark blue, and then round the front where they've just done like a little bit of distressing with the patches, and then on the back, it's like a lighter mid blue. So really cute but subtle color change. And then it's got these amazing giant patches of leopard print, and it's really soft and stretchy. You've got the distressed raw hem edge on the seam, and the same fits in terms of the shorts where it's super stretchy in the waistband. You've got all that extra room on the side, so it's not like tight or clingy, and then they're super stretchy as well. Really comfy. These are a high rise waist. It's a 10-inch rise on these. The inseam is 3.75. I'm 5'10", so you can kind of see it's still a nice length on me. Like shorts are more like there. So these are a really nice length, and it doesn't show anything when you bend over or squat. Really comfy. So these come in small, medium, large, XL, 1X, 2X, and 3X. So for your Judy Blue normal sizing, just use your same number, and then for size small, it's going to be 0 through 6, medium 6 through 10, large is going to be your 10 through 13, XL is your 13 and 15, then the 1X is 14 and 16W, 2X is 18 and 20W, and the 3X is 20 and 22W. Super cute. Really love like the little leopard patch. So I've of course got my leopard shoes on to match, and then just a really cute neutral top. If you have any questions on this one at all, feel free to send us a message. You can click that little chat button on the bottom right of the website, or if you're on the app, click account bottom right and then contact us, and we will help you out.